is. Okay. We gonna see, man. We gonna see. We gonna see what this is.
I'm nervous, man.
What up? Oh, let me put this on vibrate. Yeah.
What's good with you, man?
Man, I'm chilling. I'm excited to see what this is. Another mystery unboxing from your boy Jay to the Izzo. But before we go into that,
what's really good?
Yep.
Juicy J. What's really good?
I don't know that.
I don't know.
I don't mess with 3 6 like that.
Nah, man.
Maybe from 20 years ago. But anyway, all right. Yeah.
Anyway, what's good? It's J.O. We back in the building, as you can see, in the sneaker room.
Yep.
With another episode of Crossover Kicks TV.
We're real, recognized real, and you ended up introducing myself. It's your boy Kali. It's all to the good, but yeah, we here back in the sneaker room chilling. This man summoned me over here to see what we talking about in this here box from our what should be our sponsor, GOAT.
Man.
Because we always scooping stuff up.
Oh, so we got to talk about that, by the way. So shout out to Chris. He always in the comments.
Okay.
He's like, oh, you admitted it. You admitted it on camera. I got you. That I admit that GOAT James.
Yep. I called you out on that too. I said
I was talking about purchasing.
I know what you meant, but yeah.
Right. Yeah. Anyway,
yeah.
Chris, you know what I said, man. Run the tape back, man. Run the tape back.
Oh snap, man.
Yeah, but we got again shoe beef. You know how it is. Which brings us to the no, not yet. I think we might have shoe beef on this, y'all.
That's what we're gonna be. That's what we're gonna see. But no, we got into all that. But anyway, we appreciate y'all checking out the video. Make sure you guys hit that comment section like you always do. Much appreciated. Like the video, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. We trying to grow.
We doing it for y'all. That's right. That's why we do this, man. You like how I did that, man? It's election time. Shout out to the new president and vice president. We're not gonna get political, but
we don't do much of that. But shout out to y'all.
Yeah, man.
Really feel like we're on the verge of change, but that's a whole nother subject. We need to get into this this foot check, man. You wanna start it off with me?
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so this was another recent GOAT purchase. We didn't actually do a video on this because these actually just came in, but you know, the Flyknit ones. Y'all see I put in the royal laces.
Yeah.
And you notice the jump, what is this? The Wings logo.
Yeah.
A little bit different, a little custom on here. You know, we see a before and an after, or we need you can see with these black and red ones.
Yeah, you see it doesn't have the actual
the shading of
the shading on it. So
the wings. So I did that myself. Did it with a toothpick, but you know.
What you doing, man? You doing custom jobs out here now?
Hey,
What's
man,
up,
trying
man?
to you know, change things up a little bit if I don't see something that I like, but you know. Yeah,
nice.
So hey, let us know what y'all think of them.
Yeah, man.
You know, because it was rather tedious, but you know, fun at the same time.
Dope. So as you can see, I got the. You know what he's doing. You know where he's jumping from. You know where he's flying from.
Yep.
1988. Come on, you already know what it is, man.
Hey.
When they gonna bring him back? When they gonna bring him back?
Right. I'm saying because that was the 2011 pair.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Still looking crispy though, if I may say so myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jordan Brand, we need them back. Rightfully done. I know y'all did it with the 2018 pair, but those were dumb limited. So that
with the clear bottom ones or whatever.
Free throw line.
Yeah.
That was, I mean, it was nice.
Yeah,
concept,
those was dope.
But
it was dope.
Just too limited. But anyway.
Yeah, to this box.
Let's see what this is, because I'm not holding anything back. So.
All right. Hey, I don't look. Again,
that's what it's about, man.
This is about different opinions. All right, you see
I'm not looking right now. I'm not looking right now.
No, it's just a Nike box. Yes, Nike box.
All right, so it's a sportswear. So
got
it's
a Nike
kind of
box.
retro. It's a retro.
It is a retro.
All right.
Okay.
The GOAT stuff.
From GOAT, everything's checked off, authenticated.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Them dunks. Them Iowa.
Black and yellow. Yeah, the Iowa dunks.
Tangs.
The Wu-Tang. That's what I choose to call these things. The Wu-Tang.
Oh, wow. That is some soft, supple leather.
Yeah. You like that. See?
All right. I mean, I couldn't rock it, but
right. Yeah.
New Love.
New Love ones. Yeah. So, this is kind of like a little consolation for that. I feel like, hey, why not? First of all, the leather is dope on these.
Yeah, it's better. I can tell you off top, it's better than the New Love one.
Right.
Retro.
Right.
2017, I want to say.
Yeah. I struck out on those, but yeah, the toe box, man.
So they were mids. These are more like highs.
Exactly. So I think these might be staying in the in the shoe room, man.
Until they bring them out with the till Jordan Brand brings them out the right way.
Right,
or
the right
makes
way.
Them a high.
Yeah, if they make them a high, that'd be sick. So
other laces in here too.
Yeah, they got the black laces. Oh, they got black laces and white laces. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the shoe.
Okay.
I'll give my honest opinion off top. Right. Like, I'm surprised the shoe's not commanding more. To be honest, just looking at it up close,
you know what I mean? In the resale department.
Yeah, I think it's around 240 or something like that. We'll show y'all the stats on it and everything.
Retail on them 120.
Yeah, so that's decent. You know, but I've seen other dunks going for higher. I just think this is a crisp, nice. Like, you can flip this. You can. It's an OG color. If you don't know about dunks, they are technically a basketball shoe. They also have the skate version, the SB dunks. Extra padding around, around the collar and everything. But if you don't know, this is part of the college pack, one of the original
1986.
One of the original schools from 1986. So you had
Syracuse
was in there. The blue Kentucky was in there.
Yeah.
With the blue and white pair, which I should have never sold those, bro.
Yeah, that was another.
Oh my gosh, man!
Yeah, that was what 2016. Yeah, it was years ago. Yeah,
because I had got the white and royal ones. So I was like, why do I need?
Well, we got them, but then you ended up.
I had them. I got them for $60 at the outlet. $60. I kid you not. And let us know what the schools are below. Kylie, I need your honest. Come on, man.
I mean, they're cool. Like I said, I couldn't do it. I was expecting worse, to be honest.
What did you think in your mind it was gonna be?
I thought it was gonna be something terrible, like them Air Max 2s.
Back to the Air Max 2 video.
That's the no. That's the low.
But you said your brother likes them though.
But shout out to my brother Dante.
Okay.
He's eclectic with his taste.
That's what we're doing here.
But I don't mess with that.
That's cool. That's cool.
I can't do it.
Sneaker beef, man. But anyway, back to these.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just more impressed really by the quality of leather.
Leather's on point.
I mean, I smelled it out the box.
Right.
So that was surprising right there. I was expecting worse, and I'm pleasantly surprised. So
bam.
So
my man. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there you go, man.
Yeah.
Let us know what y'all think of it more.
Yeah, comment
I was
down below. He was ready to roast me. You know what I'm saying? I came with them Wu-Tang things. That's what these is going in. These going in the books as them Wu-Tang things. Nickname these below. Let us know below. Are these dope or nope? Poop or scoop? Let us know.
To the 36 chambers.
Yeah. Wu-Tang, man. We out of here. Anyway, appreciate y'all for checking in.
Yes, sir.
Crossover Kicks TV.
Recognize real. We out of here.
Until next time, man. Peace.